and today we are going to start chapter number 5, that is more on Microsoft Word. So students, you know that Microsoft Word is a word processing software. It is a part of Microsoft Office package. You have already learned some features of Microsoft Word 2010. You already know how to add and format text in Microsoft Word. A Word document looks uninteresting and boring if it has only text. So Microsoft Word provides options such as adding pictures and interesting stylish text that let you enhance the look and appearance of a Word document. So let us learn about these features of Microsoft Word. So in this video, we will going to learn about how can we insert clip art, how can we insert pictures, and how can we insert word art in our Word document. So first I will explain you how can we insert clip art in our Word document. Clip art is a collection of images provided in the clip art gallery of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Word comes with a ready-made pictures gallery known as clip art that consists of several categories of clips. Clip art refers to a graphic or a picture that you can insert in your document. It comes in different format and style. It is used to enhance the appearance of a document. Now we will learn how can we insert a clip art in our Word document. So to insert a clip art, position the cursor at the point where you want to insert it and follow the given steps. First step is click on the insert tab. So this is your first step. Click on the insert tab. You can see that in the diagram. Second step is click on the clip art option in the illustration group. So you have to click on the clip art option. You can see that in the diagram. So students, when you click on clip art option, the clip art task pane appears on the right side of the window. You can see that in the diagram. Okay, the clip art task pane appears on the right side of the window. Now third step is type the search word in the search for text box. This is your third step. Type the search word in the search for text box and click on the go button. When you click on the go button, then the list of pictures get displayed. You can see that in the diagram. Okay, so write the search word in the search for text box and click on the go button. Then list of pictures related to search word get displayed. Now fourth step is select any pictures of your choice and click on it. The clip art get inserted at the desired position. So these are very simple steps to insert clip art in your Word document. Now we will learn how can we insert pictures from a file. So students, from the clip art you can insert the ready-made pictures from your clip art gallery. In the same way you can insert pictures from your personal collection. So for insert picture from a file, you can follow the given steps. First step is click on the insert tab. So you have to click on the insert tab. You can see that in the diagram. Second step is click on the picture option in the illustration group. Okay, this is your second step. When you click on the picture option, the insert pictures dialog box appears. Okay, this is insert pictures dialog box. Now third step is select the picture from the desired location. Okay, you can select any picture from your folder, from disk or any source. So select the picture from the desired location. After that, fourth step is click the insert button. Okay, when you click on the insert button, the pictures get inserted in your Word document. These are very simple steps to insert picture from a file. So students, when you add a picture or a clip art in the document, you will notice that a new tab, the format tab, is added to the ribbon under the picture tools. You can see that in the diagram. Okay, this is format tab under the picture tools. Okay, and in this format tab you can see that so many options like remove background, correction, color, artistic effect, compress picture, change picture, resize picture, picture style, picture border, picture effect, picture layout, position, and so on. So you can format your picture from the format tab. Okay, you can change the color, you can remove the background. Using artistic effect, you can apply artistic effect to your picture. You can resize your, okay, using picture style you can change the picture style. Okay, with the help of picture border option you can change the picture border, and you can also apply picture effect. Okay, you can crop your picture with the help of format tab. So format tab is very useful if you want to format your picture. So students, now we will learn what is word art and how can we insert word art in our document. The word art feature of Word lets insert text in various styles in a document. Word art is an option in Microsoft Word that is used to insert attractive text in a document. With the help of word art, you can type text in different styles. You can use it to create colored, shadowed, or rotated text. The word art gallery includes various designs that can be used to create attractive text. To insert word art text, you can follow the given steps. First step is click on the insert tab. So you have to click on the insert tab. This is your first step. After that, second step is click on the word art option in the text group. So you have to click on the word art option. When you click on the word art option, the word art gallery appears. You can see that in the diagram. Okay, this is your second step. Click on the word art option, and when you click on the word art option, word art gallery appears. Now third step is select a word art style of your choice. So from the word art gallery you can select any word art style. Okay, this is your third step. Select a word art style of your choice. Okay, when you select the word art style, the edit word art text dialog box appears. You can see that in the diagram. This is edit word art text box. Now fourth step is type the text in the blank area. So you can type the text in the blank area. For example, I am writing here Priya Ranjan Tiwari. You can type any text. This is your fourth step. Type the text in the blank area. After that, fifth step is choose the font size and style for the text. You can see that in the diagram. So from here you can choose the font size and style for the text. And last step is click on OK button. Okay, when you click on OK button, then word art get inserted in your document. You can see that. So student, the format tab appears when you click on the inserted word art. You can see that in the diagram. Format tab. The format tab has options for making changes to the word art. There are so many options available in format tab. So you can edit text. Okay, you can change the direction of the text, alignment, word art style, shape fill, shape outline, change shape, shadow effect, and so on with the help of format tab. So dear students, I hope you have understood the concept of how can we insert picture, how can we insert clip art, and how can we insert word art in our document. In the next video, I will explain you how can we insert shape and symbols in our Word document.